Namaste. Welcome to Konkani Khana. Today we'll make Madgane or Chana dal payasa with coconut milk. So let's take a look at the recipe. Firstly, take half cup chana dal in a bowl and wash it 2 to 3 times under running water, then soak it for 3 hours. Soaking reduces cooking time significantly. Drain the water and add the dal to the pressure cooker. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This step is optional, but it brings out the sweetness from the payasa. Add 1.5 cups water. Dal and water ratio should be 1:3. Pressure cook the dal up to 2 whistles over medium heat. Once the pressure is released on its own, check if the dal is cooked. If not, pressure cook it for another whistle or 2. The dal should be completely cooked but still holding its shape. In a kadai, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Keep the flame to the lowest setting and fry 5 to 6 cashews, which are broken into half, until golden brown. While frying cashews, remember to keep the heat to the lowest setting because it may get burnt easily. Once they turn golden brown, transfer it to a plate for later use. Now add 1 tablespoon raisins to the same ghee and fry until they turn plump. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes. Once they turn plump, transfer it to a plate and keep aside for later use. Now let's add pressure cooked chana dal along with the cooking liquid and boil it over medium heat for 5 minutes. I know it looks watery now, but as we cook and stir occasionally, some of the dal gets smashed and the payasa will eventually thicken. At this point, add half cup grated jaggery and boil for 5 minutes or until jaggery melts completely. If the jaggery is not grated, it will take longer time to melt. Alternatively, you can also use powdered jaggery. Simmer it for 5 minutes so that it will thicken a bit, and then add 1 cup thick coconut milk. Keep the heat to the lowest setting and give it a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes only. After adding coconut milk, we will not cook for more than 2 minutes because it may curdle. Now you can see it has started to thicken. Let's add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cardamom powder adds more flavor to the payasa. Mix properly. Also add the fried cashews and raisins and give it a good mix and turn off the heat. Madgane is ready to serve. Serve it hot. Top it with some fried nuts to add extra flavor and enjoy. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.